Welcome to Simply Street Bikes. Today we have this 2009 Kawasaki Vulcan 900. This is a Vulcan 900 Classic. It's got, let's see the mileage here, before I tell you something wrong. It has 8114 miles, so relatively low mileage. Bike is red and pewter in color. Overall condition of the bike's pretty good. It does have one major flaw that I'll show you here in a second. Not sure how it happened. This bike comes loaded from the factory. Bags, backrest, and rear luggage rack. As far as aftermarket accessories, didn't really see any. This bike does have mounts for a windshield, but currently does not have a windshield. I believe it's a Memphis Shades mount. The major flaw on this bike is right up here. You can see it's got a dent in the gas tank. Not really sure how that happened, but definitely a nice big dent there. Some paint missing. Other than that, the bike's in very good cosmetic condition. Good tread left on the tires. No rips or tears in the seat. Alright, let's go ahead and start this guy up. It is fuel injected bike, V-twin. So there you have it. It's 2009 Kawasaki Vulcan 900 Classic. 8,114 miles on it. If you have any further questions and need more information, you can contact us through our website at simplystreetbikes.com, or you can go ahead and give us a phone call at 952-941-0774. This bike here does come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile warranty. Thank you for visiting Simply Street Bikes.